Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to erase part of a graphic on Canva. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Canva offers a variety of tools for graphic designs, including the ability to erase parts of a graphic. Here are the general steps to erase parts of a graphic in Canva. Now, the first thing we need to do is log into your Canva account and open the design containing the graphic you want to edit. Click on the graphic element that you want to erase or modify. This will activate the editing options. Look for an edit image or similar option in the toolbar or side panel. This is where you'll find advanced editing options. Within the draw image panel, there might be an eraser tool or a similar tool for modifying the graphic. Click on the eraser tool to activate it. Depending on Canva version, you might have options to adjust the eraser size, hardness, or other settings. Locate these options and adjust them according to your needs. With the eraser tool active, click and drag over the parts of the graphic you want to erase. The erased portions will become transparent, revealing the background or underlying elements. If you make a mistake or want to undo an action, use the undo button in the toolbar. Conversely, if you want to redo an action, use the redo button. After you've erased the desired parts of the graphic, save your changes. Look for Save or Apply button in the editing panel. Once you are satisfied with the edited graphic, download it or share it directly from Canva platform. To do this, click on the Share, then Download, then choose your preferred type like JPEG or PNG, and PNG will be a great choice. Once done, click on Download. Always ensure that you have the necessary rights to edit and modify any graphic, especially if it includes elements that are subject to copyright or licensing restrictions. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.